Good morning, Favs. Hey, Artist is up. Good morning, Artist. It's really almost afternoon, for real. There you go. I have been up, and then I went back to sleep, and then I listened to a few videos, and then, yeah, it's 11 o'clock, and I don't never sleep till 11 o'clock or even stay in the bed that long because I just don't, right? That's just not who I am. But today, baby, Faith got her some rest, and I am glad I did. So the first thing I like to do when I get up, I like to come in here and wake up my babies. And let me show you them this morning. Okay. I'm just turning their lights on because they have lights to help them grow, and they are called grow lights. And I absolutely love that they are healthy here, and they are now thriving here. I was worried. Y'all know this is a new place for us, and so we've been here now 2 official full months, and making sure that the babies were good, because these are like my pets. These are my babies, and you can see his name is Henry. Henry is 20 years old. He has been with me for a very long time. My children grew up with him. He has, believe it or not, been in this same pot for 20 years. I've never repotted him, never. He's had a lot of places where he started growing and stopped growing, and anytime we cut, as you can see, he branches off somewhere else. He is old, y'all, but mama love him. He got a little dust on that leaf. I'll get that off later, but I love him so much. And I was worried about this move because I knew that the patio light here was not going to be enough for him to thrive. So I got these grow lights, and let me tell you something, all these babies are thriving. Okay, she was not doing well at first because, of course, she's tucked away over there in that corner, and this light that I've mounted here on the wall was not giving her what she needed. So then I went and ordered another light specifically for her, and now, y'all, she's thriving. Okay, and these are my other babies. You see how rich and green their colors are? Beautiful. I must say, we don't get a lot of light here, but these grow lights, and the fact that they listen to music every day, and that mama comes and sprays them and mists them. And right now we're watering maybe once a week. Once a week seems to be enough right now because, you know, it's cold and their soil stays moist a lot longer. Okay. And then we have these babies over here. Look at morning. And they are all so happy, and I'm so happy that they're happy. I'm so happy that they're happy. And then this baby right here, I didn't know what to do with the vine, so I just started letting him just wrap around his own little place that he lives. Okay, so that's how I'm letting him grow. And this is a new baby. Her name is Bloom. And she's getting adjusted. She's already growing, actually, a lot. And she probably will only be pink for a short time, and then she'll continue to grow. And I think what we read is that she will grow and only turn pink once a year, I believe. So this part of her was very, very pink when she was given to me, and now, as you can see, it's fading away. But it's all good. And this little sucker right here is not a real plant, but these are 2 aloe vera plants that I'm growing now. And so, yeah, this is how we do. Get up in the morning, I come out here, I give the babies what they need, which is their lights. I also turn on some music for them. Yeah, because they love the music. I can't turn on the music right now because YouTube don't like the music. Or YouTube don't like me to play music in my videos. But I'm up. I'm going to make us a yummy lunch dinner type thing. My plan is to let you guys watch me make the dish, okay? It's a baked bean dish. It's like a loaded baked bean. It looks so good. I got the recipe off of Instagram. It's a baked bean sausage hamburger dish. Let me tell you something. I told Artist, honey, if you eat a bowl of beans and grab you a piece of cornbread, that's a meal. That's a whole meal, baby. You don't need nothing else, okay? You can see the tree is still up. I traditionally don't take the tree down until the day after New Year's. But I did go ahead and take down all the other decorations because I was tired of looking at it. Okay, y'all. So I did go see The Color Purple yesterday, me and my best friend's son. I am going to give my own review on how I felt, what I felt, how the movie moved me. What did I feel from the cast? I'm going to give my movie review tonight as well, okay? And then I think today is the day that I said I'm staying at home all day. So we should be right here. And I do have a few guests coming by. So I'll let them speak to the vlog. We are going to cook together today and getting ready to start my exercise regimen for the new year. So I'll let you guys see what I'm going to be doing with that. The ball, my yoga ball, and my trampoline fit comfortably in my living room. And when I need to make room here or I need to just move it out of the way, I just set it out here on my little private patio. It works for me, right? And then when my guests leave, I bring it back in. We also still have a membership, so I have that, but Artist uses that more than I do because my schedule is so busy. I really don't have time in my day to go to a gym, so I have to do this here at home for right now. And I've got some other things that I'm going to share with you guys a little later on today. So today is about filming, getting back into the swing of doing that, getting some content ready for you guys, and basically saying Happy New Year to you. Merry Christmas. I didn't get to pop on for Christmas, but I'm about to upload right now my Christmas video. So you guys will see that before you see this. And I always know that I include y'all, even though it takes me a minute to get to doing things. I'll film and then just trying to get the time to do the edits and uploads. Takes me a minute nowadays, but eventually I'll get back on track, okay? So I'll see y'all later today. All right, faves, I'm back. I'm dressed for the day. Of course, I'm not. Okay, have to pause that for a second. I'm ready for my first guest. You guys are going to meet my baby, Trinity. So I always screw her name up, but she knows she's my baby. Jasmine and her wife are coming to visit as well. So we've got company coming. I'm getting ready to get the beans going, okay? And I'm going to share the recipe with you guys. And then, yeah, I'm going to let y'all taste it and see what you think. Also, when the girls are here, I'll let them pop in so that they can say hey to the vlog, okay?
Hey y'all, it's been like a year.
Oh my God, it's been a minute. Yes, she is now a graduate of high school, and now
A
where you at?
sophomore in college.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Where at? JCTC?
Yep.
So then you can transfer.
After this semester, I think I'm gonna transfer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a lot of catching up to do.
Yep.
And I can't believe she's really here.
I know, I
Oh
can't
my
skirt up.
God.
I'm
Yes,
tired.
this is so bomb. Yes, I love her so much. I've had this young lady since she was in the 6th grade.
That is actually crazy.
Yeah, 6th grade. And now she's a sophomore in college. Ooh, okay, we'll talk to y'all guys. We'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Over here.
Okay, here we are. Right here. Okay, you guys. So what we are doing is we are using this. It's a tripod, but it picks up on your motion. So it goes wherever your voice goes. So let's see if I go this way. Ah, see? It moves with me. Hey. Right? So then if I come back this way. Wait a minute, where you at? Come on, girl. Keep up with me. There we are. So we are in the kitchen. I told you guys we're getting ready to get this bean recipe together. We have already started with we're getting the smoked sausage chopped up.
I'll be working on the
cornbread. Yes. And so I'm excited because I've never done this recipe, but it looks so good. Right behind you. It looks so good. And it's like a full meal in a bowl, right? So, my baby over here is getting the cornbread together. Y'all know we had her Pandora playing, and the mood was
Hello, I'm over here.
Yeah, get her over there.
I'm over here.
Say something. Say something.
Something. I'm over here. Motion detector person. I'm
There
over
you go.
here.
Now say something. Go there.
I'm over here. She don't like me.
I think she does. I think I'm in the middle of the camera now.
So she thinks she has to.
Yeah. So.
It's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I did. I got this. You ain't got to come check me. I got it. Y'all know artists likes to check mama to make sure I got everything under control. And I always do. Well, not always, but yeah, I got it together today. Yeah, most of the time. All right, y'all. So we're going to pop back in again in a minute. But what we're getting ready to do now is brown this sausage, okay? I'm going to turn the music back on so we can get our vibe going again. And as the sausage cooks, I'll come back before we get the veggies going and then to get the hamburger meat on. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Say bye.
Bye, y'all. Look at that. She don't like me.
Okay.
Bye, y'all. She just started recording out of nowhere. I think every time she sees me, she has to take a picture or record because I'm so beautiful.
So let's turn her off.
Turn her off.
Yeah, turn her off. Okay, guys. So to get this baked bean dish together, you have to brown and cook your smoked sausage. And then with that same drippings, you go ahead and put your veggies in there, get all your peppers together. I needed more onions, so I chopped up another onion. Then that same skillet, you go ahead and get your ground beef in there and get it all nice and done. I also drained the ground beef, and then I poured the beans in 2 separate dishes because I didn't want them to spill over while they were baking. And go ahead and put, I guess, whatever type of barbecue sauce you want to add. There were some things that I didn't add and some things that I made different. Also, brown sugar, a nice amount of that goes in both pans, and a little bit of honey, Worcestershire sauce, and mustard. Then you want to dump everything back into your beans. I also added real bacon crumbs to my dishes. Stir them up really, really good. Oh my God, y'all. It was already delicious when you just tasted them before you even put them in the oven. It was so good. These are the best baked beans ever. Y'all knew I was going to do this. Y'all knew I was going to do it. Wait a minute, hold on, why she calling me? Messing up my, look at y'all. Oh, hold on. Look at my babies, y'all. Y'all look beautiful. Get in here.
I like this.
You like? Come on in, babies, come on in. They haven't seen the new apartment yet. Yeah.
Wait, that's crazy. Yeah. I need to turn it back. I'm over here.
You gotta talk to make
Hi guys. Now you talking, see if it'll go back.
Hi guys. No.
Nan wants to concentrate on her face.
Hi guys, I'm here. We're here. Talk right.
Okay, hi guys.
See, that's also the problem with YouTube.
I know I don't know
I
what
be
to
talking,
say.
she don't be talking, so
You don't talk.
she don't be talking to the camera. She feels silly.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say.
Just say whatever's on your mind. Like I was vlogging in the mall. I don't care if people think I'm looking crazy. I feel like it's 2023. You should know what I'm doing.
Yeah, and I do it too.
Yeah.
Where I go. Yeah.
Yeah, you should know.
My videos, I'll be vlogging, and people be like, "Hey, Miss Renee," and I go, "Hey, I'm on the vlog," and you just that's what it is, you know.
Life. And she don't be cutting that out the video either.
No,
She
I'll
don't.
be right on in there. What we doing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut it off.
How have you been?
Okay, yeah, I'm a little oily because I'm
like once a week.
been in the kitchen slaving over these beans.
Just so they can be like outside.
But let me show y'all what we working with, okay?
Record your reaction.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, and then I have my guest here, and who's gonna?
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, this is so good.
Can I stand her? I can't stand her, but let me just say this. Mmm.
Wow, this is so good.
Okay.
And I don't even like baked beans, but this is fine.
Okay, she doesn't even like baked beans, y'all. But wait a minute, here it is right here. Wait a minute. Let me see that plate.
I want some more.
What'd you say?
I want some more.
He wants some more. So that tells it all, y'all. He said, I want some more. Yum, yum, yum. I can't wait to eat mine, y'all. I'll be back in where my manners are. Hold on, I got a bite for y'all, too. And I put a little cornbread on there for you, too, okay? Now, open up. Yummy. Got a little ground beef on there. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, y'all, we are still here.
Is the trade in it
Talking.
working no more? It's like $300.
Being
Really?
The
$300.
taxes.
The taxes.
The taxes.
Cause like,
I mean, while you're at it, you might as well just buy the iPad.
a lotion. You need lotion? Okay. So I don't know when I'm gonna see you again, but I know it won't be forever, right? You know where I'm at now, so.
I'm gonna pull up every time I come to class.
Well,
No, but you have a life outside of here, so
Yeah.
it's
Well-
your fault that we don't
But we gonna see each other.
Oh yeah, hopefully in the next 6 months.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Me too. Oh my God. Oh. So where y'all at now?
Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Fort Johnson.
Okay, say it again.
Fort Johnson.
Fort Johnson, Louisiana. Okay. Grown women now. Get up here and give me I didn't get a video, a picture. I need a picture.